Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Entering the store. Excuse me, do you sell jeans here?
Yes, we do. You'll find a wide variety in our denim section. Are you looking for something casual or more formal?
Mostly casual. I usually wear jeans every day.
Great! What size are you looking for?
I usually wear size 28.
Perfect. Let me show you some options. They're right over here.
Thank you. This store looks really nice.
Thank you. We just got our new fall collection in, so you're here at the right time.
Looking at jeans.
Here are some of our most popular jeans. Do you prefer skinny, straight, or wide leg style?
I think I'd like straight leg jeans. They're more comfortable for me.
Good choice. Straight leg jeans are classic. These come in blue, black, and light denim. Which color do you prefer?
I'll take the classic blue ones, please. They go with almost everything.
Absolutely. Would you like to see high waist or mid-rise styles?
I think high waist would look better.
Great. Let me grab one in your size. Here you go.
Thank you. The fabric feels soft. Are they stretchable?
Yes, they have a bit of stretch, so they're both stylish and comfortable.
Trying them on. Excuse me, where is the fitting room?
It's right at the back, near the mirror section.
Thank you. I'll try these on now.
Sure, take your time. There's also a full-length mirror outside if you want to check from different angles.
That's helpful. Thanks. After a few minutes, the jeans feel really good. The waist fits perfectly.
That's great to hear. Do you want me to bring you a belt to see how it looks with accessories?
Oh, yes, please. That would be nice. After trying them on,
How do they fit?
they fit really well, but they're a little long at the bottom.
That happens often. Don't worry, we offer free alteration service. Would you like us to shorten them for you?
Yes, that would be great.
We can shorten them within a day, or if you're in a hurry, within 2 hours.
Oh, that's fast. I'll take the 2-hour option.
Perfect. Would you like me to mark the length while you're wearing them?
Yes, please. That way they'll fit exactly right. Looking for a shirt. By the way, do you also have cotton shirts?
Yes, we do. Are you looking for something formal for work or casual for daily wear?
Something casual. I'd like a white long-sleeve shirt, please.
Of course. Here's one. It matches perfectly with your jeans.
This looks good. Do you have it in other colors as well?
Yes, we have it in light blue, pastel pink, and olive green.
I'll stick with the white one. It's simple and classic.
Good choice. White shirts are timeless. You can wear them with almost anything.
Paying at the counter.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, I'd like these jeans and this shirt.
Excellent choice. The jeans are $40 and the shirt is $25. That will be $65 in total.
Do you offer any discounts today?
Yes, we have a loyalty card program. If you sign up, you get 10% off your purchase.
Oh, that sounds nice. Can I sign up now?
Absolutely. It takes just 1 minute.
Great, I'll do it. And I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and shopping bag.
Thanks a lot. Have a great day.
You too. Please visit us again.